In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to carve the interlocking hooks out of soap. And I'm going to show you my everyday jewelry from Ana Luisa. Mini Hagi hooks. Recycled sterling silver. It's easy to wear. Must have earrings. I wear these earrings all the time. Tarnish resistant. Mini love knot. 14 karat gold on sterling silver. Durable stud earrings. Lovely and unique design. These are perfect for any outfit. Simple for relationship. Cyan necklace. 14 karat gold on sterling silver. Mother of pearl flower. It will not turn your skin green. Really cute necklace. Great for layering with other necklace. Here are some reasons I love Ana Luisa jewelry. High quality and sustainable. Simple and elegant design. Long lasting and affordable. Good packagings. I like this cotton pouch so much. Elevate your everyday. Next, I'm going to show you how to carve the interlocking hooks out of soap. What you will need. 20% off your order. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe here.